Hey there everyone, in this video we are going to look at how to create volume and attach it to an EC2 instance. So let's get started with it. For this you have to have an EC2 instance created. If you don't know how to create an EC2 instance, you can go and check my channel. I'll link it up here, how to create an EC2 instance, and just go through with it. After that, go for the Elastic Block Store and click on volumes. So we want to create a new volume. So this is the volume that was assigned to the particular EC2 instance that we have created. So let's go for create volume here. All you have to choose is select the general purpose. So select general purpose for now. This is basically the volume type that is. And 100 GB, no, definitely not. Let's just go with 20 GB. Okay, and the rest of the things, you don't need to change anything. If you want, you can choose the particular region. I'll go with 1B. Since my instance is in 1B region itself, which is availability zone, I mean. So coming to snapshot, we will look at what a snapshot is in another video. For now, let's just ignore it. You can add tag if you want to, or else now we can finally click create volume. The volume is created successfully, which is 20 GB, and the region is in 1B. So it's still creating. Just wait for a couple of minutes. Refresh it. And let's check again. It's available to use. So now the volume is created. So all you have to do is click on that particular volume, go for the actions bar at the top, go for attach volume. Now we have to select the particular instance. We only have one instance which I have created. So let's select that. And if you want, you can give so here we have to choose the particular device name. For now, let's just go with the already default ones. As you can see here, new Linux kernel may rename your device to like this. Okay, it's already there, so I'm choosing the another one. So create attach volume. Attach volume. So the volume has been successfully attached. For cross verify this or to check if the volume is attached or not, go for the instance, click on the instance that you have added the volume, go for storage, and you can see here the volume is attached to this. Okay, so now let's also look at how to detach that particular volume which we have attached to it. So for this, you have to go for the instance and stop the instance. Let's go for the stop instance. Okay, just wait for the instance to be stopped. So now the instance has been stopped. Now let's go for the volumes. Okay, and click on the volume that we have attached recently. Click on actions and detach that particular volume. It will ask for you, just detach it. And now it is successfully detached. So let's go for the EC2 instance again. Click on that particular instance, go for the storage. Check here, now the instance is not there, it has been detached. So we have successfully seen how to create a volume, attach it, and detach that particular volume. So like and subscribe for more content like this. There are a lot of videos coming on the way. So since I'm new, I'll be uploading videos consistently and constantly. It might take a little longer for certain videos to be uploaded because I need to make them, and also I need to make a schedule and publish them, because it would not be okay for me to bombard with a lot of videos, right? So it will take a little time since I'm new, but after a couple of, like if you're seeing this a couple of months or 1 year, that means every video possibly out there that I want to make will be posted already. So like and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.